Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the ramen with the link in description.
Dos, tres, All right, this is Hans.
Alright, this is Miles.
And it's time for another episode of Spicy Noodle Mukbang, the professional mukbang show where, we try something spicy and we don't jump around and freak out unless it was like bona fide spicy. We don't act the fool for your pleasure. We don't do that.
Nope. Only if it's super spicy.
Yeah, then we'll act insanely. But hasn't happened yet. Anyways, we got this today. This is the Buldak, kind of sweet, kind of spicy, kind of different play on stuff. And I did the review for this a long time ago. I have no idea if I liked it or not, but we're doing the Buldak or the mukbang way after the fact. Here's what I did to the original review and how I made that one look, and here is what we have right now. I didn't add anything to it except for the sauce and the garnish sachet, and we've got sesame seed and seaweed in that. So, are you ready? We should have our beverage. All right, you ready?
Yep.
Ready, set?
Go.
Go ahead. Every time we do a mukbang lately, I'm going out of the gate. I want to have to catch up to you. What do you think?
It's a little hot though.
Yeah.
Wait, this tastes like Lay's barbecue chips.
I get that. It definitely does. It's got some heat to it.
Sus.
I wouldn't say it's sus. That term is used incorrectly. I mean, it's not suspicious. It's not suspect. Fun fact. Barbecue sauce everywhere else in the world really doesn't taste like the way it does here. Like if you get like Casey Masterpiece or Kraft barbecue sauce and compare it to like the barbecue sauce you have in, say, Taiwan, I've noticed a lot of the barbecue sauces in Asia have a lot of plum going on. In fact, I went to a really fancy beef hot pot joint in Taiwan. Where was that? I think that was in Tainan. It was either in Tainan or Taichung. But they had a drink that went with it that was really good. And it's this plum drink. And that kind of tasted like more American barbecue sauce. But I guess you have to be there.
Oh.
Go slow.
Okay.
You get it like this.
Yep. I'm liking it already.
And then you rotate slowly. And then you get a bunch on your fork. That's how they do it at pasta joints. Although at pasta joints, I don't think it's polite to slurp. Is that a thing? I don't know. Usually like with things like ramen, it's pretty standard that you slurp really loud because what you're doing is going and you're drawing air over the noodle, which is boiling hot. So it helps cool the noodle. That's the whole idea of like, slurp your ramen, I think some people take it a little too far, but they don't know any better. I will say I like this one. I'm surprised how much I like it too.
To me, it's quite unique and fun.
Fun.
Yeah.
Fun is fun.
Yeah.
Oh, man. Okay. Oh!
Don't worry, I'll come back.
The noodles are too long. See what happens?
Yeah. It's just... Yeah, too spicy for me.
No, 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 no.
Here goes. God. My lips are on fire.
Okay, all right.
But I'll still give it a 5 stars.
Done. Yeah, I quite liked that. I mean, it's still got that front of mouth burn. I don't mind that at all. It's definitely it's not. I don't know. Nowadays, it might be as spicy as 1X, but it's good. I really like the sweetness in that, and I've had a lot of things where the sweetness just like really puts me off. But in that, I honestly liked it.
What was your rating?
I don't know. I already reviewed it, and I'm guessing I gave it a good score. Yeah. I don't know. I'll be curious to see what the original score was. I think I'd probably give it around a 4.
4's not all that bad for me.
No, 4 is not bad. If you look at my scoring system, I have you 0 to 5. 3.5 is generally my most common score. 3.5 times 2 times 10 is 70. So that's like a grade of a C. It's just like a C.
Just like on a math test.
Exactly. If it's a 4 out of 5, it's a B. It's 80%. And if it's 5 out of 5...
A plus.
No. Not necessarily. If it's a 5.0... I like it a lot, but I'm not going to say that it's like the best thing I've ever had in the world. But it hits all the right notes. It is as advertised. It's wonderful, and it's really good. But it doesn't mean it's going to be on the top 10 list or my favorite I've ever had. That's not how I review. So, anyways. Well, cool. You did pretty good.
Yeah.
Huh. All right. Well, this has been Hans, and this has been
Miles.
Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles
Each and every day.
Have a good one.
Bye.